This is Steve Hayes for EPRA at the Association's annual conference at the Landmark Hotel in London. I have with me Ulrich Hoeller. Uli is the Vice Chairman for ZIA, the German Real Estate Association. Uli, welcome.
Hello.
How do you see the outlook for the German real estate market generally over the next 12 months?
I think they're quite good. We have tough years behind us. What we have seen over the last 12 months was a bottoming out of the markets, especially in the commercial market. Rents are starting to rise again. Demand is picking up, also on the investment side, which is normally a little bit upfront. So therefore, the outlook, depending to the economic situation today and based on a strong economic growth in Germany for 2012 to 2013, should be normally great. Should be, because there is uncertainty, as you know, through the financial crisis, maybe if it hits this economic growth path where Germany is.
The listed sector in Germany, the market capitalization, has increased 75% over the last year. What has been the impact of REIT legislation, and how do you see the listed sector growing over the next year?
I see a realistic possibility of further expansion in case of further significant IPOs, as we have seen this year through GSW, through Prime Office. From my point, the REIT until today has not been a big deal, knowing that there are also only 3 mentionable German REITs companies just these days. But I think for the capital market, it's not so important if it's a REIT or not. It's more the question of quality of management, size of the company, as well as a strong business model. So therefore, I see this further expansion possibilities throughout new IPOs coming. Some maybe are in preparation, like Deutsche Annington or maybe the Ovone concern. But also I think the picking up of the current stocks, which are on a low level compared to the NAV, will have an expansion and will grow this capital market and market capitalization of listed stocks in Germany.
And what are the main issues that ZIA is dealing with at the moment?
You know, we are the main federation for German property companies. We are the main lobby group for the big group of German real estate. So therefore we are looking for Europe. That's one thing. We are working together with APRA. Surely we are working on sustainability questions of energy, of business models, etc. As well as we try to expand the knowledge and the impact of the German real estate industry in contact to the politics in Berlin, as well as in Brussels.
Talking about EPRA, how do you see ZIA and EPRA cooperating in the future?
It's pretty clear that also for ZIA it's important what are the EPRA goals, to grow the German listed market. That's really important. And therefore the ZIA has worked a lot on the REIT legislation, which was implemented in July or between May and July 2007, just the day the crisis began. So that's also a reason why REIT hasn't been a success in Germany until today. So ZIA anyway is interested to grow up to Europe, to grow in the Europe relations and to grow this listed sector. And that's especially the goal of EPRA. So therefore we come to the conclusion to work together. As you know, I'm also on the EPRA board now. So therefore we founded a cooperation which will start now. EPRA will have its next conference in Germany, will pick up the German activities. We have a German panel here on the EPRA conference. We have a conference in Germany, which is the Initiative Immobilienaktie, which will head up in October in this cooperation between ZIA and EPRA. This will be the main activities which are starting now.
Uli, thank you very much.
Thank you.
For this and other industry interviews, please go to epra.com and REIT.com.